Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how I get the snowblower ready and started for use in a snowstorm. The first thing that I like to do is spray the parts that are going to touch the snow with grease or WD-40 or vegetable oil. Next, we're going to check the fuel level. And add as needed. Once you've added enough fuel, put the top back on and check the oil. I just do a quick visual check to make sure that there is oil and to make sure that it's in the hash marks. I don't get the rag out for it. Next, what you're going to do is prime it after making sure that the dials are in the correct position and making sure that the key is turned to the on position. Grab your hearing protection. And this is exactly how it goes. You're going to pull the starter to the tension point and give it a tug. And do it again if it doesn't fire off. This morning it was about 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So we take our time with setting the choke. Wait about 5 seconds between each step. And once you've adjusted the choke, you can then turn the throttle. And again, do this slowly. Then go take care of the driveway. And when you're back, after you've finished clearing the driveway, you're going to clear off the snowblower. Leave it idling, and you're going to want to turn down the idle. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, or commenting. Thanks. Have a great day.